Today I have the GEEKOM GT13 Pro. This is one of the newest mini PCs to hit the market. Right here is the mini PC itself. It's a very nice form factor. It's an aluminum chassis with an excellent appearance. I really like the way it looks, the way it feels. This thing is very high quality. Also in the box you have your AC adapter with power cord, an HDMI cable, and a VESA mounting bracket to attach it to the back of your monitor. Pretty cool. Here's a good close look at it. You got two USB-A's on the front with a headphone jack as well and the power button. And on the back you have dual HDMI, dual USB-C 4, and two USB-A's, as well as the RJ45 for Ethernet and the input for the power adapter. It's amazing what they can pack into this small form factor. This is powered by the 13th Gen Intel i9 13900H CPU. And it comes packed with 32 gigs of RAM. It does support up to 64 gigs. And the version I have here is the 2 terabyte version, so you have a ton of capacity. It also utilizes Intel Iris Xe graphics, specifically built for the Intel i9. And it does have Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6E compatibility. So network speeds are nothing to complain about. I've been using this for about a week or two, and I've been really happy with it. It runs super quick and very cool. The cooling system in here is something to be very appreciative of. It does not get hot at all, even during intense gaming and other video editing. This thing is built to last. It has a 3-year warranty, and I feel like it will definitely last me for many years to come. If you need a new mini PC or are looking for your first one, this is definitely one to consider, the GEEKOM GT13 Pro.